Hello trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video on the topic of moving averages. So in this video I'll be showing you guys a very simple strategy. It involves the three moving averages. This is quite common, but I'll break it down to you guys how this actually works. So I'm just gonna recolor. First of all you're gonna need is your three EMAs. If you can't get three EMAs on TradingView, just simply go to, because obviously the subscription requires you to have a premium account before you can use three indicators. So a secret trick is just to go to indicators, search for three moving averages. This one right here, gonna start, and you click on it and it should give you three moving averages. Now I'm gonna go ahead and recolor my moving averages just because it's gonna be more visible. Increase the opacity there. So this is quite easy. This is it's quite a smaller time frame strategy kind of vibe. Now it is very simple to follow. When the yellow moving average is below the price, you look for buy opportunities, and when the yellow indicator is above the price, you look for sell opportunities. It's a very simple three-step process. Number one, find a good trend. Number two, price has to be either below or above the indicator, the yellow moving average. Then number three, you simply need to find a crossover between the red and the blue moving average, like such, right? We had a crossover right here. That was a crossover, and in that instance, you take a buy. That's a nice buy. And then we have another crossover right here. As you can see, it's a crossover right here, and obviously price is above our indicator. Simply take a buy, and I'd always recommend you to put your stop loss below the lowest point. Want to target most recent high, ideally this high. That's cool. And then you can see right here, price is officially below the yellow moving average, and we've received a crossover right here. You can see that should have been a nice sell there. As you can see, target these lows. So it is a very simple 1, 2, 3 strategy, very easy to use. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Have a good one.